Push through it, whatever you're feeling, and push through it. Pain, good. That means you're growing. Tired, even better. That means you're working. Doubt? That's just weakness leaving the system.
3, 2.
You don't become great by coasting. You get there by suffering.
One more.
Everyone loves the idea of being elite until it costs something. Until they realize it means 5 a.m. alarms, cold meals, missed parties, aching joints, and training sessions that feel like war. But you're not like them.
You don't stop when it hurts. You go harder. You don't fold under pressure. You rise through it. And when your body says no, when your lungs are burning, your hands are trembling, your muscles are screaming, that's the exact moment champions are made.
Discipline is the currency. Sacrifice is the toll. And most people aren't willing to pay it. But you're not most people. You're the one who keeps going when the rest fall off.
You'll remember the war. The war you fought inside, and you'll know you didn't get lucky. You pushed through it. You earned every inch